Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards, guys. Uh, Actually, one card for your career situation, guys. These are oracle cards, guys. So this is just a guidance for your career situation, your relationship, what you need to do in your relationship and in your career. And this is for your general guidance, guys. We will open the cards as we proceed. So for your career situation first, flexible. So that is the oracle's guidance, guys. So we need to be really flexible, adaptable in our situation. So in our work situation, we have to have that willingness to learn new things, adapt to our situation. When we do that, we will move towards better possibilities, guys, in our work. So today in our situation, we may be getting opportunities our way, some choices, but you need to have that flexibility, trying to accept people, their suggestions, and trying to work all possibilities in that choice, whatever you need to do to make it towards that success, guys. So you need to go in for that, make those efforts, whatever that is necessary. You have to be really flexible today, guys, adaptable to your situation. When you work in that way, you will see miraculous results. That is what I see here. So you will be moving towards greater growth and greater potential in your life. So what is the card for your relationship, Scorpios? Yin. These cards should be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So with this card here, the energy is that we have to be receptive today, guys. We have to wait for things to come towards us. We have to allow things to happen, conscious allowing. Sometimes, not sometimes, many times, we are the one who decide. We take the first step, move forward with certain decisions. But now today, the oracle's guidance is we should let that other person lead the way today. So when we do that, we will know what are their actions, and their actions will speak about them. When we let that other person take that first step, we will know what is deeply in their heart. So we will open ourselves to more love and happiness, guys. We will get a clear understanding. This is the time of conscious allowing, guys, consciously allowing that other person to make that first step. So you have to just be that effortless person, allowing others to tell you what they want, who they are, and what they can do with you, what they want with you. You can let that other person speak to you, come forward with their views and with what are their intentions. When you do that, you will get a better clarity in your situation. So that is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. What is the general guidance card, Scorpios? New life. With this card here, Scorpios, some new beginnings are coming your way, guys. You are happy for it. That is what I see here. Some opportunities or new ideas that are coming towards you, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. It may be a relationship with your past person, but you see that freshness, that new vitality, energy in this relationship, that sweetness and vibrancy today, guys. Some that excitement and passion. So this is a very positive card here, guys, a very auspicious card. So this denotes that birth of new energy in your life, something denoting passion and excitement in your relationship, and even in your work situation. Positive opportunities are coming towards you, and you feel that things are falling into place magically. Things are aligning in your projects or work. You are getting that creative ideas, feeling energetic, and in your work you are infusing your inspiration and energy, and that way you will be doing your work with greater potential, guys, and things are going in a very positive way. That is what I see here for your oracles general guidance, guys. So things are going in a happy way. So that is what I see here with this guidance, and that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.